Hello, I'm showing off my squirrel cage fan that I made from a fan out of a furnace. It blows some real powerful wind. Built the stand for it. Had to hook up the capacitor to it to make it stronger. Had to go through some wires to figure out which ones were high and low and all that, which you don't see that, but I put a dimmer switch on it. Now I hooked it as cord, as a safety cord, so it trips if it overloads and stuff like that. So anyway, we push that button right there. Should be set on. There we got a little bit of trash, and there's a pinwheel right there, if you can see it. So this here thing will blow really, really hard. And it's gonna make that pinwheel spin fast. But I took this dimmer switch. It'll start on low, and then it'll go on. Well, let me back up. It'll start out low, and then it'll go on high. I'm gonna show you the motor. And there's the wheel inside. You can see it. You can probably see it better this way. But anyway, these here motors come out of a furnace that's in your house. So here we go. We're putting it on low. Now I'm gonna raise it up. Speed. I lowered it down, and it's still putting off enough wind to blow that there pinwheel on low. When I raised it up high again, and I turned that there dimmer switch all the way down to off. Now I'm gonna show you on my pants legs right in front of it. So let me move over here. Here's the front of it. So you can see it's still spinning from being turned off. Now I'm turning it on. And this is my pants leg. If you can hear me over it. I moved out of the way of the blast, and look at that pinwheel. This thing will blow some serious air. So Let that tell you, don't ever sit there and throw away a squirrel cage fan out of your furnace if you replace your furnace and your AC unit in your house. Thank you for watching.